Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today said that his new government would continue to work aggressively on the projects for which the foundation has been laid. Speaking to media persons after taking oath as Chief Minister, Sangma said that the government would continue to focus on infrastructure and even social sector by giving a lot of importance to youth in terms of employment. Stressing on the need to improve the overall delivery mechanism, he said that the government has two deputy chief ministers, as there was a precedence in the past to have two deputy CMs, and it also sends a strong representation of the different regions. The Chief Minister also assured that the government will take all measures to ensure no illegal mining of coal takes place, while adding discussions with Assam to resolve the boundary dispute in the remaining 6 locations would take place shortly.
We'll continue to focus on the areas which we have been working on in the last 5 years, primarily to ensure that overall infrastructure improvement is there. We are working very hard towards the social sectors improvement like health and education and social welfare, and of course we are giving a lot of importance to the youth, especially when it comes to employment issues and the livelihood issues. So those are going to be one of the main concerns and areas where this government is going to focus on. It is already in process. We have worked very hard in the last 5 years. We have seen that now we are almost on the verge of 4 different groups that have now received the clearances, and their mining plans should be cleared in the next maybe a couple of months. And post that, we do expect that scientific mining will start this stage.
Jharkhand